start with the immunology. Immunology is the science that is concerned with the immune response to a foreign challenges. Immunity derived from the Latin word immunes, meaning the expect, is the ability of an organism to resist the infection by the pathogen or the state of protection against the foreign organism or the substance. The area of the cells, tissues and the organs which carry out this activity constitutes the immune response. Immunity is maybe a active or the passive or innate at the adaptive. एक्टिव और पैसिव इम्यूनिटी क्या होती है? एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी इज द एडेक्टिव इम्यूनिटी दैट इज इंड्यूस्ड बाय द नेचुरल एक्सपोजर टू अ पैथोजन naturally or by the vaccinated, that is artificially. In this kind of immunity, a person develops his own immune response to a microbes. While in passive immunity, immunity resulting from the transfer of antibodies or the immune cell from a immune to non-immune individual. Passive immunity, it can be a naturally or artificially. Naturally involve the transfer of antibodies from one host to another. Artificially, when antibodies or the lymphocytes that have been produced outside the host are introduced into a host acquired. एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी जो इसमें एक्सपोजर हो रहा है एंटीजन का, ऐसी इम्यूनिटी जो कि इंजेक्ट होती है एंटीजन्स के द्वारा होती है, ऐसी इम्यूनिटी जो इम्यून सिस्टम को एक्टिवेट करती है. एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी ऐसी इम्यूनिटी है जिसमें मेमोरी सेल्स भी डेवलप होते हैं. While passive immunity में no exposure of antigen, immunity achieved by injecting antibody or antigen reactive T cell, no immune system activation, immunity develop immediately and no immunological memory develop. बात करते हैं अब इन्नेट इम्यूनिटी की. इन्नेट मीन्स नॉन स्पेसिफिक नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी इज द प्रेजेंट फ्रॉम द बर्थ एंड कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ मैनी फैक्टर्स दैट आर रिलेटिवली नॉन स्पेसिफिक, that is operate against almost any foreign molecules and the pathogen. It provide first line of defense of the defense against the pathogens. It is not specific to any one pathogen but rather act against all the foreign molecules and the pathogens. It also does not rely on the previous exposure to a pathogen and response is the functional since birth has no memory. Elements of innate immunity. Physical barrier. Physical barrier are the first line of defense against the microorganism. It include the skin and the mucous membrane. Most organisms and the foreign substance cannot be penetrate innate skin but can enter the body if the skin is damaged. Secondly, the acidic pH of the sweat and sebaceous secretion and the presence of the various fatty acid and the hydrolytic enzyme like lysozyme inhibit the growth of most microorganisms. Similarly, respiratory and the gastrointestinal tract are lined by the mucous membrane. Mucous membrane entrap the foreign microorganism. Respiratory tract is also covered by the cilia, hair-like projection of epithelial cell membrane. The synchronous movement of cilia propels the mucus entrapped microorganism from this tract. Similarly, the conjunctive is a specialized organ that is present in the eye and mucus secreting epithelial membrane that lines the interior surface of each eyelid. It is kept moist by a continuously flushing action of the tears, that is the lacrimal fluid, from the lacrimal glands. Tears contain the lysozyme, lactoferrin, IgA antibody and thus provide the chemicals as well as the physical protection. Microorganisms do occasionally breach the epithelial barricades. It is then up the innate and adaptive immune system to recognize and destroy them without harming the host. In this case of innate immunity, several response, that is several antimicrobial chemicals and the phagocytotic cells provide the protection against the pathogen. Chemical mediator. A variety of chemical mediate protection against the microbes during the period before the adaptive immunity develops. The development of the innate immunity system include the complement, cytokines, pattern recognition molecule, acute phase protein, cationic peptide, enzyme like lysozyme and many others. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट की. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज अ हीट रिलायबल कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ब्लड प्लाज्मा that augment the phagocytosis. This activity was said to be complement the antibacterial activity of the antibody. Hence the name complement. It also bridges innate and adaptive immunity and removes the immune complexes. The complement system is composed of over 30 serum protein. The activation of complement in response to certain microorganisms resulting in a controlled enzymatic cascade which target the membrane of the pathogenic organism and leads to their destruction. Cytokines. The term cytokines is a generic term from any lower molecular weight soluble protein or the glycoprotein released from one cell population which act as intercellular mediator. It includes the monokines, lymphokines, leukocytes, interferons, and others. Cytokines are others required for the immunoregulation of the both innate as well as adaptive immune responses. Interferons are the cytokines made up of by the cells in response to virus infection, which initially induce a generalized antiviral state in surrounding cell. Chemokines are the small positively charged secreted proteins that have a central role in guiding the migration of various tissues of the white blood cells. They bind to the surface endothelial cell and to the negatively charged proteoglycans of the extracellular matrix in the organ. By binding to the G protein linkage receptor on the cell surface of the specific blood cell, chemokines attract these cells from the bloodstream into an organ, guide them to a specific location within the organ, and then help to migration. Pattern recognition molecules. Many molecules involved in innate immunity have an ability to recognize a given class of molecule, that is the recognition pattern. Pattern are the conserved structure and invariant among the microorganisms of a given class. Pattern recognition molecule that recognize the pathogen associated molecular pattern may be soluble circulating protein or cell surface receptor. Many pathogen associated molecular pattern are recognized by the pattern recognition molecule present on the surface of the phagocytotic cell. Mannose binding lectin and the C-reactive protein, that is CRP, are the soluble pattern recognition molecule that bind to the microbial surface and promote their opsonization. Toll-like receptor, that is the TLR, are the class of the pattern recognition molecule that function exclusively as a signaling receptor. There are at least 10 distinct proteins in the family of mammalian receptor. For example, TLR4 signals the presence of bacterial lipopolysaccharide and heat shock protein. TLR2 signals the presence of bacterial lipoprotein and the peptidoglycan. Acute phase protein are the heterogeneous group of the plasma protein mainly produced in the liver as well as the result of a microbial stimulus. They induce the C-reactive protein, that is the CRP, serum amyloid protein A, that is CSSA, and mannose binding protein, that is MPB. Cytokines are released by the macrophages upon the activation by the bacteria, stimulated the liver to rapidly produce acute phase protein. These proteins maximize the activation of the complement system and opsonization of the invading microbes. Cellular defense. The cells responsible for the both non-specific and the specific immunity are the leukocytes. Many specialized cells types like the neutrophils, macrophages, monocytes, NK cells participate in the innate host defense mechanism. Once a pathogen invades the physical and the chemical barrier, these specialized cells play an important role in the protection. Phagocytosis is a fundamental protection mechanism carried out by these cell types: neutrophils, macrophage, monocyte, and the dendritic cell. Phagocytosis is the injection of invading foreign particles such as bacteria by individual cell. Phagocytosis may be enhanced by a variety of factors collectively referred to as OPAINs. Greek word meaning, that is prepare food for. Consists of the antibodies and various serum component of the complement. The process by which particulate antigens are rendered more susceptible to phagocytosis is called as opsonization. After injection, the foreign particles is entrapped in the phagocytotic vacuoles known as the phagosomes, which fuse with the lysosomes, forming the phagolysosomes. The antimicrobial and the cytotoxic substance present within the lysosome destroy the phagocytosed microorganism in the following way. कैसे डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं? एक तो ऑक्सीजन डिपेंडेंट किलिंग मैकेनिज्म और एक होता है ऑक्सीजन इंडिपेंडेंट किलिंग मैकेनिज्म के द्वारा. ऑक्सीजन डिपेंडेंट किलिंग मैकेनिज्म में ड्यूरिंग द फैगोसाइटोसिस अ मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस नोन एज द रेस्पिरेटरी बर्स्ट occurs in the activated phagocytosis. It result in the transitions increase in the oxygen consumption by the cell Activated phagocytosis generate a number of toxic product like the reactive oxygen intermediate, जैसे कि हाइड्रोक्साइल रेडिकल हो गया, हाइपोक्लोराइट आयन हो गए, सुपर ऑक्साइड आयन हो गए, हाइड्रोजन परऑक्साइड हो गए, एंड अ रिएक्टिव नाइट्रोजन इंटरमीडिएट जैसे NO, NO2, HNO2 that have the potent antimicrobial activity. दूसरा तरीका होता है ऑक्सीजन इंडिपेंडेंट किलिंग मैकेनिज्म का. एक्टिवेटेड मैक्रोफाजेस आर सिंथेसाइज द लाइसोजाइम डिफाइंस that is the cysteine rich cationic peptide containing 29 to 35 amino acid residue and various hydrochloric enzymes cytotoxic peptides whose degradative activities do not require the oxygen. Next है inflammatory barriers. Inflammation is the important non-specific defense reaction to the cell injury. The hallmark sign of the inflammation are the pain, redness, swelling and the heat. Each of these is a result of a specific change in the local blood vessels. Pain is caused by the increased vascular diameter which leads to the increased blood flow, thereby causing heat and the redness in the area. The blood vessels becomes permeable to fluid and the proteins, leading to the local swelling and an accumulation of the blood protein that aid in the defense. At the same time, the endothelial cell lining the local blood vessels are stimulated to express the cell adhesion protein that facilitate the attachment and the extravasation, that is the movement of the blood cell through the vessels wall into the surrounding tissue of the white blood cells, including the neutrophils, lymphocytes and the monocytes. The inflammatory response is mediated by a variety of signaling molecules. Activated macrophages produce chemoattractants known as the chemokinases. Some of these attract neutrophils, which are the first cells recruited in the large numbers to the site of the new infection. Other later attract the monocytes and the dendritic cell. The dendritic cell pick up antigen from the invading pathogen and carrying them to nearby the lymph nodes, where they present the antigen to the lymphocyte to the marshal the force of the adaptive immune response. Two principal mediators of the inflammatory response are the histamine, that is released by a variety of cells in response to tissue injury, and the kinase present in the blood plasma in an inactivated form. Both cause the vascularization and increase the permeability of the capillaries. Kinase are also very potent nerve stimulator and are the molecular most responsible for the pain association with the inflammation. नेक्स्ट जो चीज़ की अपन इसमें बात करते हैं वो है अपनी अडेक्टिव या स्पेसिफिक इम्यूनिटी. Adaptive immunity, also known as the acquired immunity, and is capable of recognizing and selectively eliminating the specific foreign antigens. It does not come into the play until there is a antigenic challenges to the organism. Adaptive immunity display the four distinct characteristics, that is antigenic specificity, immunological memory, diversity, self and non-self recognition. Antigenic specificity is the ability to discriminate among the different epitopes and the antigens. Immunological memory is the ability to recall the previous contact with a foreign molecule and respond to it in a learned manner, that is with a more rapid and the larger response. Diversity is the ability to respond to many different epitopes even if the individuals has not previously encountered them. Self and non-self recognition is the ability to recognize and respond to the molecule that are foreign and to avoid making a response to those molecules that are self. इनेट इम्यूनिटी क्या होती है? एंटीजन नॉन स्पेसिफिक होती है, रैपिड रिस्पॉन्स करती है और कोई मेमोरी नहीं बनती. पर अडेक्टिव इम्यूनिटी एंटीजन स्पेसिफिक होती है, स्लो रिस्पॉन्स करती है और मेमोरी जो होती है वो इसमें बनती है. मेमोरी रिस्पॉन्स टू द रिपीटेड इन्फेक्शन इज आइडेंटिकल टू द प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्स. अब बात करते हैं इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द अडेक्टिव इम्यूनिटी की. There are the two arms, that is the branches of the acquired immunity, which have different sets of participants and are different purposes, but one common aim, to eliminate the antigen. These two arms interact with each other and collaborate to achieve the final goal of the eliminating the antigen. Of these two arms of the acquired immune response, one is mediated by B cell and circulating the antibodies, and the form of immunity is referred to as humoral immunity. The other is mediated by the T cell, which is not synthesize the antibody but instead synthesize and release various cytokines that affect the other cell. Hence this arm are of the acquired immune response and is termed as cellular or the cell mediated immunity. In the humoral immunity, B lymphocytes synthesize and secrete the antibodies with the specific with the specificity against the foreign substance, whereas T lymphocytes, which also exhibit the specificity against the foreign substance by virtue of the T cell receptor, do not make antibody but perform the various effector function when antigen representing cell bring the antigen to the secondary lymphoid organ. The T lymphocytes also interact with the B cells and help the later make the antibodies. They activate the macrophages and have a central role in the development and the regulation of the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity mediated by the T lymphocytes is called as cell-mediated immunity. Innate and adaptive immunity are not independent. The innate and adaptive immunity operate in an cooperative and the interdependent way. The activation of the innate immunity response produce the signals that stimulate and the direct subsequent adaptive immunity response. They cooperate in the many ways. जैसे कि इसमें अपन एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे ये देख लेते हैं पहले. The encounter between the macrophages and the microbes can generate the danger signal that stimulate and direct the adaptive response. It may increase the ability of the macrophages to display the antigen for the recognition by an antigen-specific T cell. Macrophages situated by an encounter with the microbes also secrete the immunoregulatory molecules called the cytokines. These cytokines guide the adaptive immune response, vice versa. Adaptive immune system are also produce the signal and the component which stimulate and increase the efficiency of the innate immune response. The cells of the adaptive system, example the T cells, secrete the cytokines and increase the ability of the macrophage to kill the injected microbes by binding to the pathogen. Bodies mark it as a target for the act by the complement. जैसे कि अपन इस फ्लो चार्ट में अपन देख सकते हैं जो इन्नेट इम्यूनिटी वो 3 तरीके से हो सकती है. फिजिकल बैरियर जिसमें स्किन और म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन की बात की, सेल्स के थ्रू हो सकती है. केमिकल बैरियर्स में अपन बात करते हैं पीएच, लिपिड और एंजाइम की. सेल्स की अपन बात करें तो पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइजेशन मॉलिक्यूल हो सकते हैं, मोनोसाइट्स हो सकते हैं, मैक्रोफाज हो सकते हैं, नेचुरल किलर सेल हो सकते हैं. अब ये क्या करते हैं, ये साइटोकाइंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ये साइटोकाइंस बी सेल और टी सेल्स के ऊपर जाते हैं. बी सेल तो एंटीबॉडी बनाता है और उस एंटीजन को ख़त्म कर देता है. टी सेल साइटोकाइंस प्रोड्यूस करता है जो कि बी सेल को एक्टिवेशन के दौरान हेल्प करते हैं. ठीक है, ये क्या होता है, एंटीजन स्पेसिफिक रिसेप्टर होते हैं बी और टी सेल जो कि किसके अंदर आते हैं, एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी में आते हैं. तो ये क्या है, ये एक इंटर रिलेशन है, जिस इंटर रिलेशन किसका, इन्नेट और एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी का, राइट. और नेक्स्ट जो है वो सेल्स ऑफ इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स है जिसमें कि अपन बात करेंगे हीमोपोटेटिक स्टेम सेल की, एक ऐसी सेल जो कि वेरियस टाइप्स के जो ब्लड टिश्यूज, जो ब्लड सेल्स है वो सारे फॉर्म करती है. स्टेम सेल जो कि बोन मैरो के अंदर प्रेजेंट होती है. तो ये सेल्स ऑफ इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स है, इसको अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.